Alright y'all, tonight finna eat good with some chicken Alfredo. We're gonna start off by boiling our pasta until it's al dente. Now we're gonna season our chicken breast. And don't be afraid to be a little heavy-handed with it, okay? No color, no flavor, remember that. When our chicken's done, we're gonna saute up some onions and get the party started with some Parmesan cheese and some Creole seasoning. And then we're gonna add in our cooked pasta. We're gonna mix everything together and we're gonna add in our cooked chicken to the mix, okay? And y'all, believe me, you when I tell y'all we finna eat good tonight.